by being inspired. Who knew that looking at, amazing industry standard kitchen equipment could look that sexy? All right? These ladies made it work. Thank you so much. Thank you for doing this. How are you guys doing tonight? You feeling okay? Hungry? This is the sound of hunger. Silence. Completely hungry, but very, very respectful. I thank you very much. Appreciate it. My name is Nikki Mueller. On behalf of Manitowoc, thank you so much for taking the time to be here tonight. I know each and every one of you is busy. Busy. And you had a long day? Was it long at FHA? Yes, and it's the start. It is just the beginning. But that's why we wanted to make sure that we treated you tonight. We wanted to pamper you, so we took you here. Capella. How many of you are from Singapore? Cannot see, so it doesn't matter. Capella. Let me tell you, Capella is a beautiful, beautiful hotel if you haven't already seen it. It's incredibly expensive. It's very glamorous. It's very chic. It's tucked away, away from the hustle and bustle. It's right here in between beautiful trees, gorgeous view of the sea and all the other oil tankers that you see at the sea. But still beautiful, still very beautiful. And that's why we wanted to treat you. We wanted to show you just how happy we are to work with you, for being our partners, for just being with us along the way, the ups and downs, a lot of the ups. And that's why we also want to appreciate, a lot of individuals here tonight don't even know it, but they're going home with awards. Because they went above and beyond what we anticipated and what we expected. The silver part. All you gotta do is put the box back together, facing the gray portion. Okay? That's what I'm doing over here. And have a look at what it reads. Passion for partnership, excellence, and creativity. You're probably seeing something revealed to you slowly. What is it? Anyone have any idea what we're building? What are we building? A gray box, yes. Hey, how come I finished, you're not finished? Huh? What is it? Combo therm. It's a combo therm. If you finished it, everybody get up. The first table, but you have to get up together. Okay, I think I have a table of get up. Say yeah! On the side, you scan that. I've never scanned anything in my life, by the way. But if you scan this tonight, or right now, it's going to lead you straight to a video with all the intricate details about why we are so excited about this product. All right, if you haven't heard it, if you haven't used it, if you haven't sold it yet, this is it. Another thing, another challenge for you tonight is, this is the world of social media. There's just no way you can escape it. And we'd love for you to participate in this tonight. We want to have fun. So just leisurely finish your dessert and then, say your goodbyes and head on down to the shuttle buses. Thank you so much. I'm Nikki Mueller.